Again, a beautiful sunny day in London with Redline Revs in the Skoda Octavia vRS 2.0TFSI, 200 brake horsepower based on the Mark V Golf Gti. We're going to do some exhaust sound clips today. Yes, YouTube, what's going on? We're back here in the Octavia vRS Mark II 2.0 TFSI, pre-facelift, 200 brake horsepower. We're just going to do a few more exhaust shots here because we know you love the sound of loud exhaust. And on this we've got a decat 3-inch downpipe, and then that tapers down to a 2.5-inch custom free-flowing rear section and rear box. So that's what we've got here on the car. We're just taking it down to the Redline Revs exhaust test track just to do some safe exhaust tests and show you how it sounds.